Hello everyone, welcome back to Blissful Garden. Today, I'm excited to share with you a simple but effective method to help your orchids grow strong and bloom brilliantly all year round, even after the flowers have faded. If you love orchids and want more natural care tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. The orchid plant has lush, vibrant green leaves that are thick, healthy, and full of life. Each leaf appears glossy and smooth, spreading out gracefully from the stem, reflecting how well the plant is cared for. The rich green color suggests the orchid is thriving in its environment, receiving just the right amount of sunlight and moisture. However, the flowers have withered and faded in color, losing their once vibrant beauty. Some petals have started to curl and dry out, while dark spots have appeared, hinting at age or perhaps disease. We will cut off the flower stalk to allow the plant to conserve its energy and focus on growing healthier leaves and potentially producing new blooms in the future. We will gently mist the orchid's leaves with clean water using a spray bottle. This process helps to mimic the natural humidity of the orchid's native environment and serves an important biological function. It stimulates the opening of the plant's stomata. These are tiny pores found mainly on the underside of the leaves, which regulate gas exchange and water vapor release. When the stomata open in response to moisture, it creates an ideal condition for the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently. That's why this step is done before applying fertilizer. Once the stomata are open, the plant can better take in the nutrients from the fertilizer through both its leaves and roots. This method not only boosts the plant's health, but also encourages faster recovery and stronger growth, especially after pruning or when the plant is transitioning out of its blooming phase. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support me and never miss any orchid care tips. Use 1 potato. Cut into small pieces. Cutting the potatoes into small pieces makes it easier to mix them with water to create a nutrient solution for the orchids. Smaller pieces dissolve or break down more quickly, allowing the nutrients to release faster and be absorbed more effectively by the plants. Potatoes contain several nutrients that can be beneficial for orchids. They have natural starches, vitamins like vitamin C and some B vitamins, and minerals such as potassium and phosphorus. Potassium helps with overall plant health and stress resistance, while phosphorus supports strong root development and flowering. The starches can also act as a slow-release energy source for the plant's beneficial microbes in the soil or growing medium, helping create a healthier environment for the orchid to thrive. So, using potatoes in fertilizer solutions can give orchids a gentle boost of nutrients they need to grow well. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Soak it for 20 minutes. Use one aloe vera plant. Cut into small pieces. Cutting into small pieces helps speed up the process because smaller pieces break down more quickly, making it easier to mix with water or other ingredients. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water. Stir the solution. Soak it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will take out the aloe vera water and stir it well to make sure everything is mixed evenly. Filter the solution through rails. We will reuse the leftover aloe vera pulp to make fertilizer for other plants. It's really beneficial because it still contains nutrients that can help nourish and promote healthy growth. The first step is to gently wipe the orchid's leaves using this aloe vera solution. When you do this, the vitamins and minerals from the aloe penetrate the leaf surface directly, helping the leaves become healthier and more vibrant. Doing this early in the morning is ideal because at that time, the plant's ability to photosynthesize is at its peak. Clean leaves allow sunlight to reach the chlorophyll without obstruction, which means the plant can produce energy more efficiently. When you wipe the top side of the leaves, you're also removing tiny pests like red spider mites and aphids that often settle there. These pests can damage the plant by sucking out nutrients and causing stress. Cleaning them off prevents infestations and helps keep the plant healthy. On the underside of the leaves, where the stomata, the tiny pores responsible for gas exchange, are located, wiping helps keep these pores open and free from dust or pests. This ensures the orchid can breathe properly, exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide effectively, which is crucial for its metabolism and nutrient uptake. Aloe vera is packed with beneficial compounds. It contains vitamin C, which strengthens the plant's defense system against diseases and stress. Vitamin B1 is also present, which supports root development and helps the plant recover from damage or transplant shock. Additionally, minerals like potassium and magnesium play important roles. Potassium helps regulate the plant's water balance and enhances its ability to resist environmental stresses, while magnesium is essential for chlorophyll production and therefore for photosynthesis. So, wiping the leaves with aloe vera isn't just about making them look clean. It's a natural way to deliver vital nutrients directly to the plant, boosting its health and encouraging stronger growth and flowering. This simple care routine supports the orchid's overall vitality and helps it thrive in your home or garden. The second method involves using a spray bottle to mist the orchid with the aloe vera nutrient solution. This approach is especially great for those who have a busy schedule because it's quick, simple, and very effective. Instead of spending a lot of time on care, you just spray the leaves and roots lightly with this liquid fertilizer, which is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Because the nutrients are in liquid form, the orchid can absorb them more easily through both the leaves and the roots. This helps the plant grow stronger and encourages it to produce flowers that last longer. The spray also works as a gentle pesticide. It helps reduce pests like spider mites and aphids, which are common problems for orchids and can weaken the plant if left untreated. It's best to apply this spray about 2 to 3 times a month to keep your orchid in top condition. Regular spraying not only nourishes the plant, but also creates a protective layer on the leaves that helps fend off pests naturally without harmful chemicals. Besides helping the leaves, the spray encourages healthier roots. When roots are strong and well-nourished, they can absorb more water and nutrients from the soil or growing medium. This leads to better overall health for the orchid and more vibrant, longer-lasting blooms. So, this method is a practical and efficient way to care for orchids, especially for people who want great results without spending too much time. After 20 minutes, we'll take out the potato water and stir it well to make sure everything is evenly mixed. Filter the solution through a fine mesh or cloth to remove any solid particles and get a clear liquid. We will combine it with aloe vera water to create a more nutrient-rich solution for the plants. The third method involves watering the orchid with a nutrient-rich solution made from both potatoes and aloe vera. This helps the plant absorb important vitamins and minerals directly through the roots, which is essential for keeping the leaves lush and green. Watering in the early morning is best because it gives the plant a full day to absorb nutrients and carry out photosynthesis efficiently. When you water this way, it also helps control pests like red spider mites and aphids, which commonly attack orchids. These tiny insects can weaken the plant by feeding on its sap, but the natural compounds in the potato and aloe solution help deter them gently and safely. Potatoes are rich in minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Potassium plays a big role in regulating the plant's water balance and improving its resistance to environmental stress. Phosphorus is crucial for strong root development and encourages the orchid to bloom more abundantly. Magnesium is essential for producing chlorophyll, which helps the plant capture sunlight for energy. These minerals work together to keep the orchid healthy and vibrant. Soak it for 20 minutes. After waiting for about 20 minutes to let the nutrient solution fully absorb and work its magic, we'll take a soft cloth and gently dry the orchid's leaves and stems. This step is important because it removes any excess moisture that could otherwise create a breeding ground for mold or fungal infections. By softly patting the leaves dry, we also help prevent water from lingering in the crevices or around the roots, which keeps the plant healthy and happy. Plus, drying the leaves carefully ensures that the nutrients absorbed during the treatment stay inside the plant, giving it the best chance to thrive and bloom beautifully. The leaves look vibrant and full of life, with a rich, deep green color that shines softly under the light. They are thick and firm to the touch, showing no signs of wilting or damage. The surface of the leaves is smooth and slightly glossy, reflecting the plant's good health. Edges are clean and intact, without any brown tips or spots. Overall, the leaves appear strong and well-nourished, standing upright confidently as if the plant is bursting with energy. The roots are thick and fleshy, with a healthy pale green or white color that indicates they're well hydrated and vigorous. They spread out firmly through the growing medium, anchoring the plant securely while efficiently absorbing water and nutrients. The root tips look fresh and plump, without any signs of rot or dryness. Overall, the roots appear strong and resilient, supporting the orchid's growth and helping it produce beautiful blooms. That's all for today's lesson. If you found these tips helpful, please share them with your fellow orchid lovers, friends, and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.